I'm just in the studio. Let me put you down somewhere. So I'm packing an order today for this collar with this butterfly sequin detail. It's like a pointed collar with a square back. So that was just ordered. I'm gonna get that packed. I gotta make the gift bag to send. I don't think I have any square back collars left on my website now. So I think when my sale finishes in the next like few days, and then I will start to kind of upload more of new stock, and I'll probably make some more collars just for like overcoats even in the winter, or over jumpers. So yeah. Okay, so I've just made my gift bag and I'm gonna put the collar in here. Okay, so I have my collar and my gift bag ready to go. So I'm just going to fold everything up nicely and put it in the gift bag. I always add my thank you note. And order details. And here's the order ready to send. So it's a little bit later, just on my way to bring some stuff around to the post office. Also collect some vintage packages which should be in the post office, and hopefully they are, because I've not done like collect from post office before. So we'll see. Yeah, lovely sunny day. Also filming on my phone, so I don't think it's like as stable, so sorry if it's like bumpy. Yeah. So just back from the post office. I just opened all my parcels. I did an opening on my TikTok. Look at this. So gorgeous. So yeah, gonna add them to the pile when they're washed. Oh, it's so cold. I'm out again. Just walking along the Liffey. I'm gonna collect some fabrics for custom order that I'm working on while I have a bit more free time in January. Yeah, so I'm meeting the girl who has all the fabrics now, and yeah, it's gonna be a really fun custom. It's so cold though. It's Friday, just on my cycle in. Oh. So it is Friday, just on my way around the post office. Got some orders to post. Lovely weather today, very, very, very cold, but also crisp. I just added this brooch to my jacket, and now I really love it. Such a fun idea for like just kind of adding a little bit of something. It is a lot later. You can see it's dark out now, and it's actually only like 6 o'clock, but I'm running to a girl I know who has like a vintage shop, where she has like a showroom studio. It's, I think, the first year anniversary of the shop opening, so she's having like a little party, so I'm just heading over. I'm only gonna stay for like maybe like an hour max, because it's Friday and I want to get home to watch the new episode of Severance, which I'm obsessed with. I don't know, do any of you guys watch Severance? I've had to wait like however long, 3 years for the new series. So yeah, episode 3 tonight, so gotta get home. Anyway, if I'm not too shy when I'm there, I will get some footage of the showroom. Good morning. It is, what day is it? It's Wednesday in the studio. I have a few things to get done today, but one thing I really need to get done because I can't stand anymore is, let me just turn you around. The studio is looking pretty chaotic. These are all fabrics that I've gathered and I need to rearrange all of this and get these fabrics off my table because I use this table for cutting and I've no space at the moment. So we've got so much fabric, which for now I need it off the table. I've got loads more of this fabric. I'm just kind of in the process of washing it. I have another bag here full of fabric. So I think my plan is I'm going to rearrange the top space, get rid of the cushions, move all the scrap fabric here, so move that over there, and then use that space there to put the kind of fleecy fabrics in, and then this can all be it can basically all be rearranged. But yeah, I need to put the time in. Like you see down here is just chaos as well. I can't like walk down this side of my studio, and obviously my studio is really small. Like I've got my cutting table in the middle, fabrics here, this is my sewing machine area here, and then this is where I keep all of my collections, and then that is my mirror there with my bow hanging over at the moment. Yeah, so it's all pretty messy, and I just really would love just to start the day by clearing this and just feeling a bit easier about it all. So let's get that done now. I don't think I have a tripod or anything to put you on, so I might just have to do a bit of work and then I'll check back in to show you how far I've got, unless I find some way of putting my phone up. Actually, that kind of works there so you can see what I'm doing. So okay, so I'll just start work and speed you up. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I've taken all the lace down from here. I have a box I'm going to put all my lace into because it's all kind of like different sizes anyway. And then up on this shelf is going to be cottons, floral cottons. I'm going to get rid of all the toweling fabric from here too. And this is all, there's loads of floral cottons in there. So I'm going to move that all to here. And then I'm going to have that wider shelf to put more kind of thicker fabrics. And then we'll work up here as well. Hopefully I'm not going to regret starting this, but yeah, let's keep going. Okay, this is how we're looking now. Okay, it's a lot later. This is where I am at. So I've got all my cotton florals, toweling fabrics, kind of heavier abstract print, and that's just like a mix of different ones, I suppose. Got my blankets, my cushions, and then I've made all this space that I'm going to put all this fleecy stuff up. So one more, keep sneezing because it's so dusty, but yeah, okay, just that final bit to do now. more free space here. I think I'm gonna put these scarves where those two hearts are, move them there and put the scarves there. But yeah, it's looking good. Oh, I hope that that looks cleaner. But I've been working on it for hours and it feels cleaner to me. I can actually get into this space here, so I can use this side of the table. Just cycling into the studio. I have my vintage orders. It's the next day, but I thought I would just show you in the sunlight. This is what it looks like. So it looks really quite organized now. Can't really get a full view, but it looks really calm. And just kind of, yeah, it just feels calm. Yeah, it just feels a lot cleaner. Love it. Really happy. Okay, just gone into the studio. I have some orders to do, and then what else am I doing? I am working on a dress. So that's my plan. I cycled in, so feeling a little sweaty. I'm gonna put my hair up. Okay, we're gonna print off the order details and then get the order packed. But I know it is one of my, well, I know what was ordered was one of my charms. So here is what was ordered. It was one of the bag charms. So I'm gonna get that packed and sent now. Okay, there's that order ready to go. So I'm gonna get that sent now. So just heading around to the post office. I've got my big bag of, I have vintage stuff that I'm sending and also some orders. So I'm gonna head around now. It's really kind of hard to show you my outfit now because I have my mobile phone and I don't know where to put it. I don't know how to balance it anywhere. So I need to figure that out. Maybe go back to my camera, but I need to go and get my camera fixed. So it's kind of quite hard to show you like full outfits at the moment. So it is Friday. I'm just in the studio and I'm working on a dress. Let me show you. It's this one here behind me, and I spent all of yesterday trying to figure out the Peter Pan collar to fit in with the neckline. I'm doing it quite oversized, so I'm just cutting out the ruffle for the other collar piece, which I'm going to make now. So I'm working on cutting out the other collar. So I'm just cutting out the ruffles for the next piece of the collar. So that's what I'm doing now. Also, can you see behind me, I organized all of the fabrics. So it's looking really organized and really nice. All these are going to be used pretty soon, but just for storage now. Yeah, I'm really happy. I love kind of coming in and feeling like the studio is clean. I actually need to put the bow up further, but I can't reach any further. And actually, even though my studio is tiny, there's quite a lot of ceiling height. I've realized that it's quite an important thing, or something that I really need in the studio for storage. So yeah, loving it.